I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me when you hold me in your arms so tight.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Wet the Face. And today, something new in the den. This was a request from one of our Wet the Face community members. And here it is right here. It is Lather Bros, Flora Colossus. Pretty cool label, right? And we also have the AfterShave Balm as well. And I'll tell you, this is a lavender, pear, and cedar blend. And very, very nice. I like it. It's definitely different. I'm going to do a bowl lather with this and then bring it to the face and talk about the results. The tools that we'll be using are the Razor Rock Slant and the Mason Lambert brush right here. So don't go away. We'll do it right now. Alright, as you can see, bowl is empty. And here is the shaving soap that we're going to be using today. And let's open that up. Let's take a look at how this soap's texture is. I can just push it right through, so it is soft and pliable, which will be easy to use this tool. Scrape it right up like this, and we'll place it right in the bowl. So let's get that done. Okay, so there it is. The soap is in the bowl, and we'll be using the Mason Lambert brush, which is right here. I'm just going to put it under water for a couple of seconds, and I'm going to wring the contents right in the bowl, and now we'll lather. Well, right away, you know, suds are coming up, so definitely a good thing. And that scent is coming out. Yes. Yes, indeed. It is happening. Holy mackerel. Okay, man, so alright, we definitely have enough there. So let's bring this to the face and get the shave on. Okay, so I have about 5 days growth, and got my hair cut today, and it's my birthday today. It's August 6th, that's the date of this recording, and I want to thank everybody for the happy birthday wishes. That was very nice. And a shout out goes to Joseph, and he was a childhood friend of my brother and myself. Really great guy. He lives in California now. And also to my brother Harry, hope you're watching this. Some stuff is coming to you from Wet the Face. Just pick out what you want. I'll send it to you. And let's start you wet shaving. Okay, so now let's wet the face. And here we have crazy lather right here. And let's apply it and see what we get. And such a crazy amount. It's starting to fall all over my shirt as usual, but I don't care. Let's work it in. It's really getting creamy now. It's the first time in a long time that my beard was itchy. And I want to get it off. There's the lather on the brush. The rest of the lather, I just want to wash my hands because, man, is it all over the place. And I'll tone down the shirt with lather as well. And we're almost set to do the shave. Good coverage on this. And here's the razor rock. Let me just wet it a little bit. And let's do the shave.
Hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, its taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Got a bug from you, girl, but I don't need no cure. I just stay a victim if I can for sure. All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. Hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me.
Okay, wow. That was a great shave. That was a really great shave. Nice scent. Nice, very nice scent. It's there a little. It's there a little. Very close shave I received. Slickness and glide are fine on this. No problem at all. Post shave feel, very nice. Very nice. And I think to top it off, can't wait to put on this AfterShave balm. So let's get that on. With all the things that are happening to my skin, I need all the help I can get. Oh, this is a, oh wow. Okay, so I'm just putting it in my hand. Oh, wow, I like this. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a winner. Does this have menthol? Wow. I can't read without my glasses, but holy crap, I'm gonna put more on. Let me just show you something. Do you see that? That's a dollop. It is thick, and that's what I like. A thick balm like that. See that? That's what I like. Not a watery kind. Truly an incredible balm. This you have to try. Wow. Wow, so I don't think I need anything else. The AfterShave balm, tops, man. It is tops. I'm feeling the menthol kick that's in here. I'm thinking that there is. I wish I could see without my glasses, and I just left them outside. So, I love it when the balm is really, really thick like that, and it goes on. You can feel it moisturizing. Oh man, my skin feels like 100 times better. Because, you know, I got the acne and everything, and anything that can help it. And I've been using the witch hazel, which someone told me about, and that's helping too. And look, here is the brush with the rest of the lather on. Probably 2 more times with that. No problem at all. The soap is excellent, and can't say enough about this, the combination of the two. Definitely, if you do get a soap, get the balm too, because you'll really fall in love with it like I did. I just can't say enough about it. It is just fantastic. So I had a great shave, and I hope you have a great shave too, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
All the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on.